Math 1, here is your project for 4th term. So you've got a graph with a picture of a plaza, and they want you to find where trees are. Okay, so 2 trees in each quadrant. Okay, diagonals of each quadrant are lines of symmetry for the quadrant. Okay, remember what a diagonal is. And the walkways are also lines of symmetry. Okay, so they want it to be symmetrical, so using those different diagonals and other lines of symmetry, figure out where you'd put those trees and write down their coordinates here. Tell me how the lines of symmetry helped, and then describe the transformation from this pre-image to whichever one you pick for your image. Okay, that's all there is to that first page. Okay, the second page is talking about the Titanic and recovering some artifacts from that. So, you're going to be using these diagrams to answer the question. So, rigid motions would be those rigid transformations. Okay, would be rotations, translations, reflections. Okay, all that kind of stuff. So, how can this vessel go about getting to this artifact? Put the motions and in order. Okay, because if it's not in order, then that could affect things, right? So try it in a different order once you've got your things here. See how that affects it and explain what that would do. Then also you've got a reflection here. So what do you think it would look like based off that reflection? Okay, and then could you think of a way that it would be wrong? Okay, in that one. And that's all you do on the second page. The third page, you've got this floor plan, okay, which is where 1/4 of an inch equals 24 inches in the actual house. So, they create this, and they have this basic plan, but they want to use it for different houses. So you've got this basic plan. So what you're going to do is using rigid motions, so reflections, rotations, translations, you're going to come up with 2 other different floor plans where you have the same basic space for each of those bedrooms and whatnot, but you're going to reflect it, you're going to rotate it, or you're going to do translations to come up with 2 different floor plans, which on the back of that paper you have this space to write your floor plan. Okay, tell us what you use to do it, write all of them, and then the second one, same thing. Then the last question here, which really isn't the last question, but the last one we have right here, is, what transformations would you have to use to create the actual house? So which transformation, which is a non-rigid, so not a rotation, not a reflection, none of those, which ones would you use to help you with that? Okay, so make sure you get this project done. Give it your best shot, take some time, do it right, and things will be good for you. And I'm not going to show you anything because then that would be giving you the answers, and I want you guys to explore it on your own. So that's why this video is so short, and that's why I'm not really giving you a whole lot. And that's about all I got for you.